All right, so if you've never used Pika AI before and feel a bit confused, yeah, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to use it step by step, even with zero experience. First, quick idea. Pika AI lets you create videos just by typing what you want. No editing skills needed. Start by opening Pika AI and logging into your account. Once you're inside, you'll see the main dashboard. This is where you'll create your videos. Don't overthink it. Just start with a simple prompt. For example, a calm beach scene with waves and sunset lighting. Then click Generate and let the AI do the work. It might take a few seconds, so just wait. Once your video is ready, watch it and see how the AI understood your prompt. If it's not perfect, which is totally normal, just improve your prompt step by step. Try adding small details like lighting, motion, or style. You can also experiment with different ideas to learn what works best. Once you're happy with the result, go ahead and download your video. And yeah, the more you use Pika AI, the easier it becomes over time. So yeah, even without experience, you can start creating videos with Pika AI right away. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.